Hello students, today's our topic is dialogue writing. You have learnt how to write it in previous classes. Let us revise it. A dialogue is a oral conversation between two or more people, expressing their feelings, opinions and ideas on a given topic. It is a way of having communication between two or more people. Dialogue writing is an art where the writer assumes the position of the characters of different people to convey the matter effectively. It is a spontaneous and continual conversation among different characters presented in the plot. The thoughts are fluently presented in a conversation or a dialogue. Let us study some guidelines for writing a dialogue. Study the subject or topic carefully. Begin with appropriate greetings, a proper introduction of the topic, and a suitable closure. Arrange all the ideas, possible questions, and answers in a logical order. Let all the characters talk fluently and spontaneously. Students, it means both the persons involved in the dialogue should have a say in the matter, else it will appear more like an interview. Next, let all the characters contribute to the main conversation. All the characters should speak as well as listen. Conversation of each character should be brief and rapid. All the ideas of the characters are positive and constructive. Conversation should be natural, interesting, and realistic. Dialogue must not begin or end in an abrupt manner. It means dialogue should be natural. It should not begin or end in a sudden manner. Students, remember the name of the speakers and the spoken words are separated by a colon. Let us understand dialogue writing much better with the help of example. Develop a dialogue between you and your neighbor about snakes. You may use the viewpoints of the neighbor given below. No reason to fear or hate snakes. Superstition about snakes. Usefulness of snakes. There is conversation between you and your neighbor wherein you have so many misunderstandings about snakes and your neighbor helps you to get rid of all these misconceptions. Let us start dialogue writing.
Hello uncle, how was your nature trip?
Oh, it was absolutely fascinating. We spotted a number of rare animals, birds and insects. And you know what? We even saw a few snakes.
What? Snakes? You must have been terribly frightened. As for me, I hate snakes. Even my friends hate the very thought of snakes.
Believe me, there is no reason to hate or fear snakes. They are also God's creations just as we are. They attack only if they feel threatened or are hungry.
I know that. However, I have heard that they take revenge on human beings who may have harmed them in the past. A snake bite can be fatal.
Mere superstition, young man.
Are you saying that snake bites are not fatal?
Only some varieties of snakes are poisonous. Yes, their bites can be fatal, but can also be treated immediately with an antidote.
I didn't know all this. In fact, I have changed my entire viewpoint regarding snakes. I think I will go for the snake show being held tomorrow. Maybe I will learn some more.
Do that. The show will be an eye-opener for you.
Thank you very much. You have made me see things very differently.
Read the given dialogue writing carefully and write it in your notebook. I hope you will consider all the guidelines while dialogue writing. Thank you.